This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. This lovely home in Shadow Creek offers one-level living, with the added benefit of a bonus/4th bedroom above the garage. The expansive 2,584 square foot, open concept floor plan provides ample space for comfortable living and entertaining. Special features and upscale finishes stand out throughout this beautiful home. A gracious foyer/entrance hall welcomes all who enter the front door. The kitchen opens to the great room and boasts custom white cabinets, quartz countertops, farm sink, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, ceiling fan, large pantry with custom shelves, and the beautiful hand-scraped cherry hardwood floors that are found in much of the house. The great room has a dining area and two separate seating areas. An entire wall in the great room is filled with windows, bringing in soothing natural light. A floor-to-ceiling gas fireplace and a tray ceiling are impressive focal points. The master bedroom also features a tray ceiling, a huge walk-in closet, and an ensuite bath with separate tub, designer walk-in shower, and a double vanity. A second bedroom is also an ensuite and has a tray ceiling. A large laundry room has extensive shelving and hanging racks. Outdoor time can be enjoyed on the pergola covered deck overlooking the backyard. An oversized two-car garage provides additional storage space. Shadow Creek is situated ideally on Bloomington's desirable east side, convenient to shopping, restaurants, downtown, IU, and the